Want a heart-healthy tip? The DASH diet might be just what you need to keep your blood pressure in check. The DASH diet, short for dietary approaches to stop hypertension, is a proven way to lower blood pressure. It's packed with nutrient-rich foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains and lean proteins. Plus, it cuts down on sodium and unhealthy fats. Here's how it works. Potassium helps balance sodium levels. Magnesium and calcium keep your blood vessels in tip-top shape, and reducing sodium helps prevent fluid retention. Research shows the DASH diet can drop systolic blood pressure by up to 14 mmHg. That's a big deal for your heart health. Practical tips: swap out salt for herbs, add a fruit or veggie to every meal, and choose whole grains over refined ones. Go for lean proteins like fish and poultry, and snack on nuts and seeds. So, why wait? Start the DASH diet today and give your heart the love it deserves. And don't forget to subscribe to Dr. GT for more healthy tips.